talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
My name
Is JH.
My name's AH.
How y'all doing?
Postal family.
Is everybody good?
Is everybody clean?
Is everybody cool?
Is everybody clean?
Is everybody crisp?
Is everybody irate? Let's talk.
Let's talk. Let's talk. Well, Jay likes to bring special guests onto the show. And today we have a professional, name, may I say, one of the most intelligent people that I know, AH. And I wanted to thank you for coming and joining me on the show. It's a pleasure to have you here. We're going to discuss a topic that we were talking about not too long ago when we were discussing the video clip.
Oh yeah. So we're going to be talking about how robots are taking over the postal service.
That's pretty much what we're going to... Can I tell it? Can I say it? Okay. Yeah, so we're going to be talking about pretty much how robots are taking over the postal service. So what is your thoughts on that? I mean, you saw the video. You spoke about it a while ago. Do you remember what you said in the video from 4 or 5 months ago?
Yes.
What did you say?
I said that they would start using conveyor belts and stuff because they would say that robots are faster than humans.
And what did you just see in that video?
They were faster. They were loading it up and then in the conveyor belt.
They were doing about 3,000 packages a minute.
Yeah.
I mean, an hour, right? So this is what the inside of the new S&DC, that's a sorting and distribution or sorting delivery center is. So basically all the small post offices, like, you know, your sister works at a post office, your mother, your brother, when they worked at the small post offices, right? Mm-hmm. Then they brought a bunch of them together and they put them in one building, right? But right. Each of those post offices had a set of clerks, right? That's what, a set of clerks. And those clerks were the ones that used to sort the mail. But now they put them all in one building. So do you think they need all of those clerks?
Not really.
Because how many people did you see loading the equipment?
2.
And there's probably at least 2 to 3, maybe 4 clerks at each facility, at each station that that works. So what happens if you had 5 stations, right? Mm-hmm. And it was 4 people at each station? That's 4 times 5. What is that?
20.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a little slow with it. Okay, it's 20. So there was usually about 20 clerks between 5 stations. But how many people did you see working at that one place just now?
It was just 2.
But there's probably a couple more on the other side, but there definitely was not 20. So what do you think happened to the people that were at the other stations?
The robots overtook them.
You say the robots overtook them. I felt like the need has not, there's just not a need for them as much anymore. Because I mean, would I continue to pay somebody if I have a $1 billion robot there? If I have a $1 billion robot, instead of paying people that call out and call in sick and take lunch breaks, what would you prefer?
I would just prefer the robots.
Okay.
Because the robots are actually programmed and they run faster.
Okay. So overall, we're not going to extend this too long. Overall, what's your opinion? Because, you can't just take over my show. I mean, this is a 2024. I don't want you taking over my show. But what is your opinion? What is your opinion? I came to you for your expertise and your expert advice.
Well, my opinion is that the robots are just like, I don't know how to say this, but find another job.
Wait, you can't tell my people to find another job. That was. Hey, don't y'all get on my son. He's only 8. Okay, but like, what do you mean by that, bro?
Because like the robots are like way too good. Like if they got $1 million robots that are programmed to do the best that they can,
Yeah.
if they malfunction, they would take like probably like 3 or 4 technicians to do it. So technically, there would be only 4 people that would actually be working.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, what he said. Well, that's your expertise from AH. We appreciate you bringing in the new year with your pops.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year. And
Postal family.
If any of you have children, we would like it if you subscribe to his channel. Even if you don't have children, you can subscribe to his channel because he's trying to grow. He's clearly an intelligent child, so that he can reach his 1,000 subscriber mark. That would definitely help him out so that you can, I mean, he has a lot of content on there.
I just want to be able to hang something glorious on the wall, and y'all all know what that is. A play button.
Okay, yeah, he's got aspirations and I'm not gonna knock him. So if you could possibly help out AH here, I will leave a link to his channel in the
Description?
Well, not in the description. I'll leave it in the pinned comment. That way you can click subscribe. He has a bunch of random stuff that pops up on there. He gets, he's an 8-year-old. That would definitely help him out a lot. All right. And we thank you again for your expertise, but that was a little raw to ask people to, subscribe to your channel after you told them to go look for another job. You don't think so?
But the robots are taking over.
Oh man, you know what? That's the blessing of having children because they are unfiltered, uncensored, and they say what comes to their head. This is JH, and this is
AH.
And
we out.
And we the
ones.
And they the
twos.
You zimmy?
You zimmy?
You zimmy.
Hey, yeet.
I don't know what a yeet is. Don't you yeet around me. Please, don't yeet. All right, we should shut this thing off. Can you shut the thing off, please?
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.